To make a frame, take all 4 stretcher bars and simply connect them together. Once your frame is ready, get your fabric ready. Cut a piece that has 4 extra inches in every direction, which means 2 inches around the frame, and start folding the fabric and stapling it about every inch on one side. Then move on the opposite side from what you just stapled, pull really tightly and staple the whole side. The third side only needs to be stretched enough so you feel some tension, but you will pull with all your might on the fourth side before each staple. To finish the corners, simply pinch the 2 sides together, fold over, and staple.